Lapanlong yakarali Ñiah Saikil halor kapang pedeng Ride for Recovery Pedal for Prevention Mentagasngi kumshi Bynta bandrakhi ke International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Lapanya dekani karali da katanat social welfare hapo kasin jam jong ka dream ringkat ka jingas nokti lang bat katanat pulit Meghalaya lambat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Upravin Bakshi Commissioner Secretary katanat social welfare ulak kawe lama ya kani karali ha State Convention Center. Kinong Ñiah Saikil lambat kinong Ñiah thuk kilaya lingba kasor Shillong kumshi Bynta ban pit sapyang jingtip halor ka jingkirni bat ka jingkhayi be anyo Drok.
Your side, a special initiative from your side to show to entire Shillong as you will pedal, as you will cycle with this logo and the theme. You will be spreading tremendous awareness amongst all that all our citizens of the state, particularly the youth, they stand up against drug trafficking and also against drug abuse and substance abuse of any form.
The theme for today is Ride for Recovery and Pedal for Prevention. Choose healthy lifestyles because there are a lot of ways to prevent yourself from addiction. It is our choices that we make in life which matters the most.